Yeah, our starting point is angle A, because it says there, approximately the measure of angle A here. Now, it sounds silly, but the reason why I say that is because you could have done B as well, right? And it changes it. Okay. Partner A tell partner B, what do you do next? Javier, what did you do next?
Label the side.
Yeah, label the sides. So help me label this.
Opposite.
Thank you, Javier.
And then reset and I join.
Raise your hand if you did that. Partner B tell partner A, which one do we not need, and therefore what trig function is it? Johannes, which one do we not need? Therefore, which trig function are we using? He says tangent. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Yeah, there's the TOA, right? So tangent of the angle equals opposite over the adjacent. Partner A tell partner B, what's the next line we're going to write below us? Go. Monique, tell us the next row. Raise your hand if you got that. Okay, notice again, when you have a trig function, you have to put an angle here. This can be measured in degrees or radians, or this is an unknown, this is angle A. Okay, here your calculator doesn't need to reduce, so don't worry about that. You only have to reduce if I tell you find an exact answer. Does that make sense? Tell your partner what's the next step? Ruby, what's the next step? How do I show the inverse? How can I show switching? Everyone say arrows?
Arrows.
Jarrell, what should I write?
The inverse of tan.
How do I show the symbol of inverse?
Tan to the power negative.
Uh-huh. What do I write?
15 over 20 equals.
Let's put in our calculators. Partner B tell partner A the calculator commands you will press. Go. Michelle, what should I be pressing? Second tangent. John B, if I round that to the nearest tenth, what do I get? Echo?
36.9.
A is approximately 36.9 degrees. Raise your hand if you got that. Okay, let me give you some tips about this, okay? A represents what, class? An angle. Well, if it's a right triangle, that means it has to be less than 90 degrees. Whole numbers. Are you following me? Normally, I'm not going to ask you to solve for an angle that's like less than 1 degree. Think about it. That's kind of hard to do, isn't it? Are you following me? So the number you get for an angle should be like a number between 0 and 90. It's not a decimal. The reason why I'm stressing that is the student might confuse yesterday's lesson and just try to type in tangent of 15 divided by 20. And they might write down that 0.01 is an angle. That student who's confused does not understand what it means to find an angle by using the inverse.